5 years, no James Bond. For a franchise that has dominated global cinema for more than 6 decades, that silence is not a gap. It's a statement. And right now, with Amazon MGM holding creative control and a director who won't even start casting yet, the question of what Seven becomes next has never been more open. But here's the part that changes the picture entirely. The man chosen to direct the next Bond film, Denis Villeneuve, has said plainly that his search for the next James Bond will not begin until he finishes Dune. Part 3. You can't cast Bond without the director, you can't build the film without the cast. And nobody rushes Denis Villeneuve. His entire reputation rests on meticulous, unhurried world building. So the franchise sits in deliberate suspension, not broken, waiting. The Broccoli family held creative control over Bond for generations, with a grip that was, by Hollywood standards, almost mythological. No studio could touch the character without their blessing. That era is over. Amazon MGM now controls Seven, and Amazon doesn't just make films, it builds universes, spins off series, and distributes globally at a scale no traditional studio can match. Every time Bond changed hands or changed faces, the character reinvented himself. This handover may be the biggest reinvention yet. And Amazon is already showing you the blueprint. Their Reacher spin-off, built around the character Neegly, played by Maria Sten, is not adapted from any novel. It's an original story created entirely for the screen. A supporting character, an existing franchise, a new narrative. Amazon owns Bond now, and entertainment circles are already asking whether Felix Leiter, Bond's long-standing CIA ally, could follow the exact same path. Meanwhile, a 4-part British spy series called Betrayal, written by David Eldridge and directed by Julian Jarrald, debuted on ITV in 2026 with a 100% score on Rotten Tomatoes. A perfect score. The audience hunger for intelligent British espionage storytelling is not just alive, it's starving. Look, Bond has survived recasts, reboots, and cultural shifts across more than 6 decades. The foundation was always this strong. Sean Connery's Dr. No from Russia with Love. And Goldfinger established the rules that every Bond since has been measured against. When Villeneuve finally turns his attention to finding the next Seven, he won't just be casting an actor. He'll be answering a 5-year question about what this franchise is still capable of. Subscribe if a story like this is what you came here for. Betrayal scored 100% while Bond's chair sits empty. That's not a threat to Seven. That's the bar Villeneuve has to clear.